This is the Echo Dot, the new one. Alexa, what's the weather today?
It's 66 degrees with light rain right now. Today's high will be 71 with a 60% chance of showers, and tonight it'll drop to 41 degrees.
Alexa, what's today's news?
Hi, Karen Mason. Good afternoon. It's Sunday, February 22nd at 12:09 p.m. In today's top stories, New York City braces for another fierce winter storm. Law enforcement kills an armed man seeking to enter Trump's Mar-a-Lago resort, officials say, and athletes at the games fuel up on 1,800 meters of pizza and a ton of Grana Padano cheese. This is your
Alexa?
daily...
Those stupid glasses the first day. I should never have worn them. And when she asked me about them yesterday, I shouldn't have
Alexa,
lied.
set an alarm for 12:30 p.m.
Alarm set for 12:30 p.m.
She arches an eyebrow.
Alexa, stop Audible. Alexa, cancel the alarm.
Your 12:30 p.m. alarm has been canceled.
Alexa, is there anything else I need to know today?
Everything's set for today, Karen. Have a great afternoon.